Hello. I recently found what appears to be a bug with darktable, and I'm hoping that someone out there can help me figure out what's going on. This cropped up recently. I had done a bunch of picture processing and I did not have this problem, and then one day I sat down to do some editing and it suddenly appeared. And the problem seems to be with the base curve module. When I normally look at a picture, I can move this around on the screen and it looks fine. And if I was to come over here to the fusion option and change this to 2 exposures, look what it does down here at the bottom of the screen. It brings in these weird black artifacts, and if I slide this picture around, those black artifacts seem to be tied to not to the picture itself, but to sort of the bottom corners of the screen. I'm hoping that someone can tell me why it's doing this and what I need to do to fix it. This does come through if I was to zoom this picture all the way out and go back to the light table module. These artifacts that appear on the bottom of the picture, they show up in the light table module down here, and when I export, if I was to export this image, these artifacts show up in the exported image, and I can't figure out where they're coming from and how to get rid of them. So if anybody had some hints as to what might be wrong, I would appreciate it if you could let me know. I am running version 2.4.4 on Windows 10, and like I said, this right now seems to be limited to just this base curve module, and if I turn this fusion back to none, then the artifacts go away. I haven't actually tried 3 exposures. Oh wow, it's even worse. And they're tied to a different part of the screen. So yeah, if anybody has any ideas as to what could be wrong here, I have tried completely uninstalling Darktable. I even rolled back to version 2.4.0, and that it also did it with that version as well. I have found that this issue does seem to be limited to my desktop machine. If I take these same pictures and bring them up on my laptop, then it's not a problem. So I don't know if it's some sort of a driver issue, but like I said, if anyone has any ideas, I'd really appreciate if you could point me in the direction of some things to try to fix this problem. Thank you very much.